अपना घरात कांय भुरगीं चड तेंप टिकना, थंयच्यान पळपाचे यत्न करता. तांकां मग्न दवरपाक कसले ना कसले एक्टिविटीत मग्न रावल्यार तांच्या मनात पळपाचे विचार येवपाक शकना. ह्या बाबतीत विचारूय चालू आसा म्हण CCP कमिशनर दीपक देसाय उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Not particular only Apna Ghar suspension, only because of Apna Ghar, and it is overall all the issue. Those who are first all discipline and other things. Apna Ghar is in the topic for in the negative. Actually, Apna Ghar, I will request all of you press to give positive publicity also, because lot of good things are going on. So it's sometimes very difficult to control the children and all these things. Now, just now today I have got the report from, I had a meeting with CWC, report from the Child Protection Commission. So very good report is very good. We are mostly recommended the Tevinson Martin's report. We are providing best facilities, our staff are taking care of this. There are some issue about, I have talked to the all inmates. I have visited 4 times in 3 weeks. So their problem is that they are not getting engaged full day. So they want some activities like sports, then craft activities, playing, and so already we have the badminton is there, carom is there, then chess is there. So they want outdoor facilities. So outdoors was not there because risk of escape. So we are providing that 3-tier security. So there will be outside security so that they can take it out. We don't have a good ground, and that also will be provided. But before that we are providing inside like a TV. So they says TV adle kai te fotta. So let us see, we are giving again TV. My pattern is the proposal is in the pipeline. So we are giving. So what is main thing is giving them because they cannot go outside frequently. So we have to keep them engaged. This is the main, and all this when I talk to them, they are telling that we want activity. Beda rehta, bore jata, this bore rounds. Although we have small equipments in the indoor activity, so we are trying to give them more activity so that TVs and other entertainment also. And second issue was like food and all these things. We are tackling them. So we should be a very punctual in the giving them good food and all this. Now suspension was what you have asked me, not only for Apna Ghar, it is the overall things, but it is just not to create a fear in our staff. So sometimes small surgery is required to send a message and so to maintain a discipline. This Ladli Lakshmi scheme, there is one provision. After you are getting this benefit of 1 lakh rupees, after attaining the beneficiary of 21 years, you can withdraw this 1 lakh rupees for only education purpose. Other than if the marriage jale, and the other provision is different, but what you are asking me and what you want to know is whether education purpose, whether you can avail this benefit. So there is a provision, so 1 lakh rupees you can withdraw. So I think till now we got 30 applications. 15 we have already given, and 15 are now with us, and that has to be decided by the committee. So because of secretary our was not there, so we are dealing with this, and mostly these all applications are considered for favorable to give this benefit to the beneficiary.